Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic sky on VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor and then I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to select this plus icon and then select new project. And since we want to edit a video, we can choose a video based. And then I'm going to import my video to this project. I'm going to go to my download album and wait, I'm going to choose this video. Okay, and then I'm going to replace the sky in this video with a cinematic sky. I have just downloaded cinematic sky from the internet. If you want to get the cinematic sky, you just need to go to the internet and then you can search for cinematic sky. And I'm going to add this cinematic sky. We can go to the PIP and then select photos or videos. And then I'm going to open up my another album. Wait guys, I'm still looking for my video, the cinematic sky video. Okay, this one, I'm going to replace the sky in my video with this sky. Okay, and I'm just going to zoom in like this to fit the screen, and we're going to go to the mask, select mask, and you can choose this linear mask. Okay, and then I'm going to rotate it. Okay, and then we're going to blend this sky with my video. Okay, we can blend it like this. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and to make it more natural guys, you can blend it. You can go to the blending mode and then you can choose the best blending mode for your video. And I'm gonna go with this darken because it looks better than before. But let's try the other blending mode. Okay, I'm gonna go with darken. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cinematic sky video editing using a VN video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!